Yo, what's up everyone, Rico here. So I'm going to talk about my top 2 entries in Forex trading. But before I talk about my entries in Forex trading, let's just have a quick look on my progress on the 5%ers 40K funding account. Alright guys, so in my previous video I have created a video about my 5% evaluation program where I passed it and I got these the 40K one, right, as you can see here. So this is how it looks like, right? You can see this, the funding capital is 40K. The gain target is 4,000, is basically 10%, where you can they will double your the funding account to 80K if you reach this 10%. So the draw and also the drawdown is 4%, which is $1,600, and the max exposure is 2 lot. All right, so this is how it looks like. Okay, and this is from the MT4, the point of view. Yeah, let's just take a look on the history. As you can see, the deposit is 40K US dollars, and as you can see here, this is the evaluation profit, because remember the first stage, the evaluation phase, where I traded with the 10K account, yeah, which the profit is target was 6%, right? And I get the 50% of the profit that I make, right? So basically I got this $300. Yeah, this is my split. Yeah, so you can see here, yeah, this, it says credit $301. So I think, I reckon, yeah, this is, I think, I'm not sure how it works, but I'm pretty sure that I think later at the end of the month, right, I will get this. If I withdraw, if I decide to withdraw this, I will get $300, or maybe plus or minus the profit or loss that I will make this month. As you can see right now, I'm down $100, which is nothing really, but I really have a good trade right now. I think almost hit my profit target. Yeah, is $600 right there. But anyway, yeah, this is how it looks like, right? This is the credit from the evaluation program. The first stage. So it's good. So far so good. All right, so let's just move on to my top 2 entries in trading. Yeah, I think this is very really helped me a lot, yeah, to when I decide to or before I place a trade in Forex trading. And I really hope that this will help you to before you place a trade also. All right, so first things first, my top entry, yeah, the rule is super simple. Because you know guys, in trading we have a saying, right? Buy on the dips and sell on the rallies, right? It's just like really that is so true. And I think if we think about it, you know, because it's a currency, right? We buying and selling currency. Buy on the dips, sell on the rallies, which means that you buy when the price is cheap, or when it's weak, right? And you sell it when the price is high, or when it's strong, basically, right? And how do we do that, right? And of course, the way you do it, yeah, in technical analysis, yeah, you need to use trend line, right? And I think this is very, how can I say, I cannot express how important it is, how really reliable it is, you know, when it comes to the good old trend line, right? So you decide which time frame you want. Yeah, but I always recommend for hour or daily chart. Yeah, but just let's take a look. I use 4 hour chart and look at this. This is New Zealand US dollar. Yeah, so when it comes to drawing a trend line, yeah, I want to make sure that at least it it has been touched twice. Yeah, for this example right here. Yeah, this is the first one, the trend line touch, and then this is basically the second or the third one right here. It's around here. So when you see something like this, you know that it's actually a valid trend line, and you just need to wait later on, yeah, for the price to come back again, yeah, or to retest this trend line. And so as you can see right here, this was actually a pretty good area to buy this particular currency pair. Yeah, as you can see right here, with the I use MACD right there. From the histogram, there's a bullish divergence. Yeah, they have explained, you know, how I use bullish divergence in trading. As you can see right here, there's another bullish divergence right there, shown by the MACD histogram. So again, guys, I think whatever your system or strategy, really, if really when you see a good setup, yeah, doesn't really matter it's a buy or sell setup near a trend line, I think that really, yeah, it gives you really a strong and reliable signal. As you can see there, 2 setups, right? No drawdown at all, and you can really make money from that. So yeah, so the first one, I always look for trend line. Yes, so really, like there's no secret, you know, just the trend line is super strong. You can see right there, yeah, how like the price is always retest the trend line is, yeah, just basically bounce, reverse, yeah, because again, that is when the price is weak. Yes, you can see when the price goes up and goes down, it has to go lower first. Yeah, it's weakening first. After, when it's cheap, when it's weak, that's when you buy. Yeah, because that's basically the most logical way to buy. Yeah, when the price is cheap. Okay, and yes, of course, the same goes for when you're selling the a currency pair. When you see there's a something like this, right? When it touches, you can see here, yeah, almost very accurate. You can see there's a shooting star. Yeah, there's a selling pressure right there. So whatever your strategy system, you can, when you see this, you know, it's a really good sell signal right there. So trend line is a really good place to enter trade. So this the last one, yeah, the top entry is actually near support and resistance, guys. I think as a trader, I'm pretty sure, yeah, you know, support resistance, right? And I think until now I still use it. That is because it's very one of the most reliable way to find a place to area to buy or sell currency pair. Okay, so for me, the way I see support resistance is when for example, you need to use higher time frames, right? For example, 4-hour daily chart, that's actually a really good one. Yeah, and you see just the price when an area where it gets rejected, yeah, by the price, and for whatever reason it's just reverse, yeah, for something like this, right? You can see here, for whatever reason, comes from down here, goes up, and then just reverse there, bounces again. As you can see, try it again, retest this area right there, and then bounce again. Yeah, and a rule of thumb again, at least been touched or has been retested twice. Yeah, that's the rule of thumb. So you can see here, yeah, this is a really good support resistance area. Remember, it's always an area. It's not an exact price, but it's always an area. You draw the line and just wait. Yeah, in the future, if the price, yeah, goes near there, yeah, you just need to really pay attention. So for example, like this, I already drew a horizontal line. You just can see, here we go. See, another retest there, a good rejection. You can see there's a wick there in the candlestick. Yeah, straight bounce right there, easy. It just again, hey, there you go. And then another retest again. There's basically a like a spinning top, something like that. Yeah, like a doji with the rejection, with the shadow, the wick candle. Yeah, and yeah, that's the thing. Support resistance is pretty good, and I think whatever time frame you're using, always draw support resistance lines. Remember, it's an area, and always draw a trend line. Yeah, and always pay attention when the price get closer to that support resistance area and the trend line. And whatever system you're using, divergence or like using oscillator, you know, overbought or oversold indicators, whatever, I think you will have a higher chance to get a winning trade. Yeah, so that's it, guys. My top 2 entries, really, trend lines is so strong. Yeah, and support resistance, especially me, I trade divergence. Yeah, if you want, you can look for divergence setups, divergence patterns near these places, you know, near the trend lines and near the support resistance, because you will get you just have a higher chance to get a winning trade. All right, guys, I think that is all for today. I really hope this video will help you to become a better trader before you decide to place a trade in the future. So Thanks for watching. I talk to you later in the next video. Bye bye.